The
The
living
living
world.
world.
Biology is the
Today
science
we are
of life
going
forms
the
and
first
living
chapter
processes.
of
The living world
biology, the
comprises an
living world.
amazing diversity
And
of
here go
living
we
organisms.
introduction.
The
Biology is the
extraordinary
sense
habitat
of
in which
life
we
forms
find
and
living
living process.
organisms and
The
called
living world
mountains.
comprises an amazing diversity
The
of
living
living
world.
organism.
Biology
The
is the science of
extraordinary
life
habitat
forms
in
and
which
living
we find
processes.
living
The living
organisms
world
are called
comprises an
mountains,
amazing
deciduous
diversity
forest,
of
ocean,
living
freshwater
organisms.
lakes, desert,
The
hot spring, etc.
extraordinary habitat
The
in which we
extraordinary
find
habitat
living organisms
to
and
live
called
an
mountains.
organism is called
The living
mountains,
world. Biology
deciduous
is the
forest,
science of life
ocean,
forms and
freshwater
living
lake,
processes. The
desert, hot
living
spring,
world
etc.
comprises an
What is mean
amazing
by living,
diversity of
or
living
what is living?
organisms. The
Living
extraordinary
organisms
habitat in
exhibit
which we
certain
find
distinctive
living organisms and
characteristics.
called mountains.
Which are their characteristics?
Living world.
Growth,
Biology is
development,
the science of
reproduction,
life forms and
metabolism,
living
ability to
processes. The
sense
living world
environment,
comprises an amazing
responsiveness,
diversity of
a
living
unique feature of
organisms.
living
The
organism. These are the
extraordinary
unique
habitat in
feature of
which we
living
find
organism.
living
Growth,
organisms and
development,
called
reproduction,
mountains.
metabolism, ability to sense
The living
environment,
world. Biology
responsiveness.
is the science
All
of
living
life forms
organisms
and
grow.
living processes. The
Increase in
living
mass
world
and increase in
comprises an
number of
amazing
individuals are
diversity
twin
of living
characteristics of
organisms.
growth.
The
Unicellular
extraordinary habitat
organisms grow
in which
and
we
number by
find
cell
living
division.
organisms
Here,
and called
growth and
mountains.
reproduction mean the same.
The
In
living world.
majority of
Biology
higher
is the science
animal
of
and
life forms
plant,
and living
growth and
processes. The
reproduction are
living world
mutually
comprises an amazing
exclusive events.
diversity of living
Here,
organisms.
increase in body
The
mass is
extraordinary
considered as
habitat
growth.
in which
They
we
grow by
find
cell
living
division, that is,
organisms and
growth
called
is
mountains.
from inside. When growth occurs continuously throughout the lifespan, as in plant, it is indeterminate growth. What is indeterminate growth? When growth occurs continuously throughout the lifespan, is indeterminate growth, unlimited growth. When growth occurs only up to a certain age, as in animal, it is a determinate growth. However, cell division occur in certain tissues to replace lost cell. Non-living objects also grow by increase in body mass. Mountains, boulders, and sand mount to grow. This kind of growth exhibited by non-living object is by accumulation of material on the surface is called accretion. The kind of growth exhibited by non-living object like mountain boulders, sand mounds is by accumulation of material on the surface is called accretion. In living organism, growth is from inside. Hence, growth cannot be taken as a defining property of living organism. Again, read that line. In living organism, growth is from inside. Hence, growth cannot be taken as a defining property of living organism. Reproduction is a characteristic of living organism. It is the ability of an individual to give rise to reproduction is a characteristic of living organism. It is the ability of an individual to give rise to new individual of its own kind. Reproduction may be sexual or asexual. Fungi multiple and spread easily due to the millions of asexual spores they produce. Lower organisms like yeast and hydra multiply by budding. Planaria produced by regeneration, that is, a fragmented organism regenerated the lost part of its body and become a new organism. The fungi, the filamentous algae, the protonema of mosses all easily multiply by fragmentation. There are many organisms which do not reproduce, like mules, sterile work bees, infertile human couples. Hence, reproduction also cannot be an all-inclusive defining characteristic of living organism. Of course, no non-living object is capable of reproducing or replicating by itself. So here is reproduction is also a characteristic of a living organism. Reproduction are of two types. We know that is sexual and asexual. Fungi multiply and spread easily due to the millions of asexual spores. Lower organisms like yeast and hydra multiply by budding. Planaria reproduce by regeneration, that is, fragmented organism regeneration through the lost part. The fungi